Are you looking to organic spirulina supplements? Organic spirulina supplements have gained significant popularity among health-conscious consumers due to their dense nutritional profile, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spirulina is often touted as a superfood, offering benefits like improved energy, enhanced digestion, and immune support. In this review, we evaluated 5 leading organic spirulina products from trusted brands. Amazing Grass.
List number: Amazing Grass Greens Blend Digest. Super Greens Powder Smoothie Mix for digestion support with organic spirulina. Amazing Grass Greens Blend Digest is a well-rounded super greens powder designed to support digestion while offering a boost of natural energy. It combines organic spirulina, chlorella, beetroot powder, digestive enzymes, and probiotics into a single formulation. With certifications such as USDA Organic, Non-GMO, and Kosher, the product offers clean, plant-based nutrition. The inclusion of 1 billion CFU probiotics is particularly notable for gut health enthusiasts. Performance-wise, the powder dissolves easily in water or smoothies, making it convenient for daily use. The digestive enzymes and probiotics help reduce bloating and improve gut health, while the spirulina and chlorella provide essential nutrients for energy and detoxification. However, its flavor may not appeal to everyone, as it has a strong greens taste that some users might find overpowering. List number: Now Supplements. Now Foods Organic Spirulina 500 milligrams tablets offer a convenient, tablet-based format for spirulina supplementation. Each tablet contains pure spirulina without excipients, binders, or additives, making it a clean choice for health-conscious consumers. The product is USDA Organic, Non-GMO, Vegan, and Kosher certified, ensuring high-quality standards. The tablet format is ideal for users who prefer a mess-free and portable option. While the product delivers essential nutrients such as GLA and chlorophyll, it lacks additional ingredients like probiotics or digestive enzymes, which are found in other products. The tablets are easy to swallow, but the serving size may require multiple tablets for optimal dosage, which some users may find inconvenient. List 3. Ancient Nutrition Super Greens Powder. Ancient Nutrition Super Greens Powder is a nutrient-dense formulation combining spirulina, chlorella, matcha, digestive enzymes, and adaptogenic herbs. Designed to support digestion, detoxification, and energy, the product offers a comprehensive approach to daily nutrition. It features clinically studied ingredients and is GMP certified for quality assurance. This powder stands out for its inclusion of adaptogenic herbs and antioxidant-rich matcha, making it suitable for users seeking holistic wellness. The flavor is mild and blends well into smoothies, but it may clump slightly in water. While it offers robust nutritional benefits, the serving size is smaller compared to competing products, which may limit its value for some users. List number: 365 by Whole Foods Market. 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Spirulina Powder is a straightforward spirulina supplement that meets rigorous quality standards. Offered in a 4-ounce pack, this powder is designed for use in smoothies, hot beverages, or recipes. The product is non-GMO and kosher, reflecting Whole Foods Market's commitment to clean and trustworthy ingredients. As a pure spirulina product, this powder is ideal for users seeking simplicity without added ingredients. It has a neutral taste that blends well with other flavors, but its packaging size may not be sufficient for frequent users. Additionally, it lacks certifications like USDA Organic, which may be a drawback for some buyers prioritizing organic standards. List number: Now Foods Supplements. Now Foods Certified Organic Spirulina Powder offers a pure formulation rich in beta-carotene, vitamin B12, GLA, and chlorophyll. This powder is USDA Organic, Non-GMO, Kosher, Halal, and GMP certified, ensuring comprehensive quality assurance. It is designed for use in smoothies and recipes as a nutrient-dense superfood. This product excels in providing a clean and potent source of spirulina, making it suitable for users focused on nutritional purity. The powder has a slightly earthy taste, which may require masking in recipes. While it is highly versatile, the 4-ounce packaging may not provide sufficient value for frequent users compared to larger size products.